Hello and welcome to my IMD 2003 lighting assignment video. I will be going over 3 different lighting looks, beginning with the 3-point TV look. First, you want to position your camera and subject facing each other like this in a straight line. Afterwards, you want to add your key light, fill light, and backlight. The key light will be the brightest light of the scene, bringing attention to the subject. The fill light will oppose the key light and fill in any of the shadows that the key light makes on the face and smooth out the face as well. Finally, you want to add in the backlight to shine on your subject from behind and separate them from the background. If done correctly, your shot should look like this. So here you can see that I only have the key light on my face. It's the brightest light and it really brings the attention to me. Before I added in the fill light, you could see the shadow on the side of my face, but it is completely eliminated, smoothing my skin. Finally, I added in the backlight, and as you can see on my shoulders and on the edges of my hair, there's a little bit of light which separates me from the background. The next lighting look is high contrast, 3 stops of dynamic range. Once again, we'll have our camera and subject, but for this look, we only need a key light and an adjustable fill light. The key light should be very strong, creating a bright area on one side of the subject, while the fill light on the opposing side is set to different brightnesses, depending on how many stops are wanted. 3 stops is 1/8 of the amount of light from the brightest spot to the darkest, 2 stops is 1/4 the amount of light, and 1 stop will be half the amount of light. A good use of high contrast light will create a dramatic look on the subject. These 3 stops can be seen here. This is 1/8, 1/4, and a half of the amount of light on the subject. The final lighting look is the backlight look. As it says in the name, only a back key light is needed, set at a high brightness. This light should be directly behind the subject on the opposite side of the camera. This is what the shot should look like. As you can see, only the edges of the subject are lit, most notably on the shoulders, ears, and tips of the hair. This effect is also known as rim lighting. This gives off an ominous or frightening feeling since the face of the subject is difficult to see. And that does it. Thank you for watching my IMD 2003 lighting assignment video.